Welcome back to Power Lunch. I'm Mike Santoli at the New York Stock Exchange. GE powering to its earnings tomorrow. The stock surging more than 40% in 2019 on the way to its first positive year in 3 and its best potential gain in 2 decades. So can the GE turnaround be trusted? Katie Stockton of Fairlead Strategies and Nancy Tengler of Butcher Joseph Asset Management are your Trading Nation team today. Katie, GE's had this very eventful ride over the last few years, although in recent months the stock has kind of settled down, gone pretty much sideways. As looking at the chart, can you give the edge either to the bulls or bears here?
I think it's too early to call it a bullish long-term turnaround. Obviously, there's been a loss of long-term downside momentum relative to 2017 and 2018, but it's really fallen short of breaking out and solidifying that bullish reversal. Maybe the earnings report will do that. The resistance level that I'm watching is about 1070, so a breakout that's confirmed, meaning you spend a couple of weeks above that level. That would really solidify a turnaround for GE in my eyes, which has really just been range-bound and somewhat neutral in terms of momentum. On the downside, I'm watching minor support around 975. I'd like to see that level remain intact, at least to preserve the neutral bias of the chart, but we really need that breakout to get excited about it.
All right, amazing. We're talking about GE with a $1 range, and that's of significance here, about 20 cents below that breakout point to the upside of 1070. Nancy, a lot of ways to try and analyze GE, I guess. Could be some of the parts, could be a cost-cutting story, or just a reversion to the mean of how it used to be valued. So how would you go about it?
Yeah, I mean, this is a tough one, Mike. I think the market has given the company and the stock price the benefit of the doubt on the turnaround. 44% move is impressive, but from here we need to see sustainable earnings and free cash flow growth. And I think you want to watch the cash burn in the call and the guidance regarding cash, because they probably will beat on the cash issue, but I think long term, the only way you can look at this company is sum of the parts. There's no meaningful dividend to give you any indication of what management thinks long-term sustainable earnings power is, i.e. raising or the dividend from here. So I'm on the sidelines. I've owned this stock on and off for decades, and it's just from here, it's a turnaround story, and you got to sum of the parts it.
Yeah, and seems like, I guess, no necessary hurry to buy it ahead of getting that confirmation, guys. Thank you, Katie and Nancy. For more Trading Nation, head to our website or follow us on Twitter @Trading Nation.